Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is HAZIM bin Ahmad Rizal and I will now present my final year project with the title What Problems is Going to Tackle as well as the Solutions, the project significance, and lastly I will be demonstrating the flow of the app. What is UTeM Vehicle Rental App? As the name suggests, it is a mobile application that helps students to find rental vehicles and also gives opportunities to students to start a renting vehicle business. With this app, anyone can be a customer and anyone can be the owner. The project hopes to aid students in the service of renting vehicles and promoting them for owners and eases the process of finding them for customers. The problem with the existing system is that students who start this renting business have trouble promoting themselves. Besides that, finding cars that are available for renting is difficult since the promotion and details only ever happens in WhatsApp or Telegram chats. Lastly, most students are oblivious to the rates of the vehicles, different types of vehicles, different types of rates. By creating a digital platform for rentals in UTeM, owners would have their cars displayed and available for customers to see. By default, the mobile platform makes finding cars for rental a lot easier. The rates are also displayed clearly for customers to contemplate with. How and why is my project relevant? First, it helps to save time finding and booking a rental vehicle. Secondly, it uplifts the students' passion to start their own business. With that, it widens the opportunity for students to generate side income. And lastly, it also helps students to gain experience managing a service business. That's it for the explanations. Without further ado, let's get started with the demonstration. This is the login page. And if we click here, we will be redirected to the register page. Choose what field you are and then fill in all of the required details here. If you click next without filling in the form, as you can see, there will be validators displayed that requires you to fill it in before continuing. To pick an image for the profile picture, tap the circle and we will be redirected automatically to our gallery and then pick whatever image you would like to display. Once the picture is displayed within the circle, it means it's done loading and then we can click next. We will now be redirected to the main dashboard where we have the home page, cars to rent page, and profile page at the bottom of the screen as our bottom navigation bar. But first, let me demonstrate my login page. The login page requires you to fill in two fields. If you leave it blank or enter a wrong username or password, a show dialog will be displayed and we still can't access the app. Once everything is correct, we will be redirected to our main dashboard that's currently displaying the home page. In our home page, we have buttons that filters the available cars according to how many seats they have or what brand they are. It also has sidebar drawer on the left for better navigation around the app. Down below is the My Cars Collection button and I will explain it later on. Next is the profile page where we can update our information. For example, switching from Satria Tuah to Satria Kasturi requires users to update their blog address. Once we are done, tap the update and a confirmation dialog will appear. Tap yes and the database will be updated. This app allows the user to be both the owner and the customer. If a user wishes to add a car for rental, simply go back to the home page and click on My Cars Collection. Right now the list is empty and we will now add a car into the system for rental. Tap on the plus button and we can now add a car. Once we are done with the vehicle's information, now for the rates. We will only have 24 hours option, 12 hours, 8 hours and 4 hours, which is the standard duration for students to rent a car. Tap next and then a snack bar will be displayed. Go back to the My Cars collection and you can see that the car has been added and displayed. Here we can view the car, update its rates, and even delete the car from the system. Now for the customer side. We go to the Cars to Rent page. This page displays all of the available vehicles that we can rent, but our own cars will not be in the list. To book a vehicle for rental, simply tap on the Rent button or the whole container to be redirected to the vehicle's information page. The page will display its model, brand, plate number, how many seats, type of transmission, where it's parked, and its rates for 24 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, and 4 hours. If we tap on rent without picking a date or rates, the app will not be going anywhere. Once we're done, tap on the rent button and what you see now is the confirmation page. All details of the payment will be displayed here, and if you have any inquiries, you can call the owner yourself. Tap book now and then tap yes. A snack bar will be displayed and now a receipt will appear. Tap this once you're satisfied with the details. Any engagement or payment will be made outside of the app. Therefore, once we have used the car and returned it, long tap to notify the system that this vehicle can be rented again. If you haven't used or not yet returned the car, you can go back here to long tap by going to the home page and click here. Tap what you see and you will be redirected to the returning page once you're ready to return the vehicle. If you want to sign out, simply go to the profile page and sign out by clicking on this button here. Tap yes and now you are logged out. That's it for my demonstration and I hope you understand it. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.